Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to trade on eToro. So let's get started. Trading in eToro is a simple and straightforward process compared to more complex trading platforms. Designed with beginners in mind, eToro offers a clean interface and helpful features. First, visit the eToro login page. Proceed with signing in using Google, Apple, or Facebook. Choose a username you prefer and accept the terms and conditions. Then create your account. Next, enter your personal details such as your name, gender, and date of birth. Complete the KYC verification using a government-issued ID and proof of address. Once your account is verified, deposit funds using your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer, debit or credit card, PayPal, Skrill, or Neteller. How to buy a stock on eToro. Use the search bar at the top of the screen and type the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. Then click the stock from the search results. On the stock page, click the trade button to open the trade window. Enter the amount you want to invest in USD and choose the order type. Set your stop loss, and if you want to own the actual stock, keep the leverage set to X1. Then place your order. You can open the portfolio section anytime to view your holdings, close your position, set alerts, or adjust your stop loss. How to buy options on eToro. Set up and verify your options trading account. Deposit funds into your account using your preferred payment method. Go to the Discover page and search for the stock or ETF you want. Click Trade, then select Trade Options. Choose the number of contracts you want to buy and click Submit. You can either hold the option until expiration or sell it before the expiry date. How to buy crypto on eToro. Download the eToro Money app if you want to use the eToro crypto wallet. Open the Crypto tab and create your crypto wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want, such as BTC or ETH, and create the wallet. You can also open your crypto wallet later and use the sell option to convert your crypto into your local supported currency. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to trade on eToro. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.